Hi all. Today we're in Discord and we're taking a look at the differences between timing out, kicking, or banning a user. Let's get into it. So to start off, let's go over the differences. When you come into your Discord that you are an admin of and you right click on someone, you are given three different options. You can time out, kick, or ban. So the differences between them is a timeout. The user does not get removed from the Discord. They can still see messages coming in, but depending on how you set it up in the admin panel, they may just not be able to respond or reply or add reactions to messages, but they're still in the channel. It's a timeout. If you were to kick someone from your Discord, they will be removed from the Discord. They are not banned though, so they can be invited back. If you are to ban someone from your Discord server, they can't be invited back. They can't join back if they find an invite link. The only way they can join back in is if an admin or you are to remove or revoke that ban from them. So let's go ahead and do a ban, and then you can also delete your message history with a ban, or delete their message history with a ban. Then we'll just go ban, boop, and now they're gone. Cool. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.